Hi guys, this is Kelly once again from Bond Machines. Today I will be looking at the Singer 319K sewing machine. Okay, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you like and also click on the notification button for new videos and reviews and also how to maintain your sewing machines. Now, quickly I'll run through the features of this machine and do some couple of stitches with it. Alright, also note that this machine has been properly serviced, okay, for optimal functioning. And also when you get the machine, for those of us that do buy sewing machines from me, rest assured that your machine works 100% efficiently. Alright, now the Singer has interesting features. Firstly, I'll start with the double thread stand for the twin needles. It has electric motor at the back. It has a light, okay, at the back, switch light, and also the motor. Now, I prefer to call this Singer the finger Singer because it has this finger-like structures, lever, okay, where you have different designs attached to it. Okay, if you look closely, it has an ABC. I think this is clean up, but that's just the function of this one. Alright, and also this acts as the trigger for the this cam. It uses this cam for additional designs. Okay, now here you have the adjuster for the footer pressure. Okay, here you have also the tension. This lever is the one that controls the straight stitch and the zigzag or any of the design there stitches. So once it's on 0 here, this is the indicator. Once it's on 0, you're sewing the regular straight stitch. But the moment you turn this lever to any point beyond 0, you're sewing the zigzag stitch or any of the design stitch you actually activate up there. Now this is the needle positioning in case you want to do your buttonhole. Okay, the left, right, and the center needle position. Now this one is the regulator or the hook for this here. So when you turn this way, the hook doesn't go beyond a particular point. The more you screw it in, the more it doesn't go beyond a particular point. But when you loosen it up, okay, the stitch length goes further down. Okay, and when you take this up to the most, it becomes some back stitching. All right, now the machine uses of course this is the Bobbin Winder. All right, the machine uses the front oscillatory mechanism, meaning you thread from front to back, and you have uses the industrial bobbin and shuttle mechanism. All right, there you have it, and that's the bobbin it uses. All right, so I'll quickly run through how to wind your bobbin and thread the machine and do some stitches with the machine. All right, winding the bobbin is quite easy. So use any of the thread stand, comes down through this hook here, goes all the way down to this point, and you just do some wound on the bobbin you want to use. Okay, just a small one. Make sure this point here, this dent here, goes through or enters a hook that you found here. All right, so I just do that in a moment. Yep, entered, and you clip it down. So when you okay, so when you've actually gotten your desired one, you just flip this up and take out the bobbin. So I'll quickly thread the machine and show you how to thread the machine now. Okay, threading the machine from the thread stand, also you pass it through this hook and make sure, like I always say, raise the footer up so you can be able to pass through the tension. It has a double tension plate in case you're using twin needles, so you can pass it through any of the point there. Okay, make sure it enters the tension properly. All right, okay, so when you don't do that, when you're stitching or when you're sewing, your sewing might become rough. Okay, so make sure it enters the tension properly, because that's what stretches the thread. Then passes through this point here and goes all the way to the side twice and comes all the way here. Then you thread from front to back. It uses the front oscillatory mechanism. So I'll quickly go through the threading process once again. From the thread stand, it goes all the way through here and it goes all the way in around the tension. Like I said, make sure you raise the footer up. Okay, when you're passing through the tension, goes all the way from here, comes away to the two hooks on the side here and here, and you thread from front to back. All right, So let me try the needle now. Okay, I already tried the needle. Now for the straight stitch, like I said, this has to be on 0. So I'm using the longest stitch length, and when I sew through now, there you have it. That's the back, the underneath of the machine and of the cloth. You see that? And that's the front. So you can actually reduce the stitch length a bit. So I'll just run this down to, like, let's say 25, and alright, there you have it, guys. Very tiny stitches. Alright, so if you want to use that, fine. Then also, if you want to sew any of the designs here, like I told you, this finger-like structures, they have designs. Okay, if you look closely. So if you want to use them, all you just do is just to raise them up. Okay, I'm using the A. Then you come right here and you take this down to 5. I'm using number 5. Alright, so when I sew through, okay, you see that? That's the zigzag design that has been sewn. Now I can actually reduce the stitch length a bit to get a much more tinier stitch. Now I will just be raising the other one so you can actually see the design. So I bring this down and raise number 2 up. Okay, while that is done, I'll bring it down, raise number 3. Okay, so guys, I just combined, okay, this is like the number 1, number 2, number 3. Okay, so I'll just drop this down and go to number 4. Okay guys, then I'll bring it down and raise number 6. Alright guys, so there you have it. So I just combined the designs. Alright, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this 4th lever, this 6th lever here is what controls the desk cam. Okay, it uses a desk cam, and this is it. Okay, so you can actually use desk cam on it in addition to the inbuilt designs it has. So for you to use this, you just have to come all the way here and raise this up. Alright, so there you have it. Once you raise it up, you're actually sewing. Alright guys, there you have it. That's the disc cam, the design on the disc cam. Alright, so if you want to return back to the regular straight stitch, like I said, just drop this down, take this to 0, and I'm using the higher stitch length. So when you do that and you sew through, and you can actually back stitch. That's the back stitch, front, and back stitch. Okay, so alright guys, there you have it. That's the Singer Model 319K sewing machine, showing its features and functions. Thank you so much guys for watching, and God bless you.